Madison Avenue in New York City was awash with the colors of the Indian flag as thousands of Indian Americans gathered to celebrate the 42nd annual India Day parade organized by the Federation of Indian Associations, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, New England, FIA. The parade's highlight was an 18-foot-long replica of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir, captivating attendees who chanted Jai Shri Ram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Esteemed guests included actor and MP Manoj Tiwari, acclaimed actor Pankaj Tripathi, Grand Marshal Sonakshi Sinha, VIP guest Zahir Iqbal, and Swami Adhesh Anand Giriji Maharaj. The event themed Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam or The World is One Family also featured Dr. Sudhir Parekh, chairman of Parekh Worldwide Media and CEO of ITV Gold, alongside over 40 floats, 50 marching groups, and 30 marching bands, making it a vibrant celebration of India's independence. Let's watch some highlights.
आकर मैं आनंदित हूँ। भारत के बाद अधिकतर भारतीय कहीं एक साथ देखे जा सकते हैं तो वो न्यूयॉर्क की इस परेड में। ये परेड लार्जेस्ट परेड है। हम भारत के लोग सभी के सुख और सम्मान की कामना करने वाले प्राणी हैं। पूरे विश्व को परिवार मानते हैं और सभी के अधिकारों की रक्षा के लिए हमारे योग यज्ञ जप तप समर्पित है। योग भारत ने दिया है पूरे संसार को। अंक अक्षर औषधियों का ज्ञान कराया है भारत ने। और भारत एक ऐसा देश है जो पूरे विश्व को कुटुंब मानता है। और ये जो आज की परेड है, इस परेड का अर्थ भी यही है कि पूरा विश्व एक परिवार है। उसमें धरती अंबर अग्नि जल वायु निहारिका नक्षत्रों को भी हम अपना ही सदस्य मानते हैं। उसी दिन हम सबको भी याद कर दिया। Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we are waiting for. Here we go, the guest of honor, one and only पंकज त्रिपाठी जी। मैंने क्या बोला था आप लोगों को? तारीन भैया की जय। Let's give him a big round of applause. Along with one of good FIA President Dr. Avinash Gupta जी। पंकज जी, आपका स्वागत है। आपकी जय। तारीन भैया की जय। सब लोग बोलो तारीन भैया की जय। ये हो। और ये यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर में स्टेज पे आएंगे। Right now I'm joined by Dr. Sudhir Parikh as President of FIA Board of Trustees. Also the Chairman of Parikh Worldwide Media. So everybody, good to see you. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day. Let's enjoy and be proud of the India and our Indian culture. Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप सबको भी। आप अपने लिए बड़े ही धन्य होते हैं। पिछली बार धन्यवाद दिया हम लोग ये मानिए उनको आप बुलाए और आप सभी को फिर से प्रणाम।
Honorable Vinaya Pradhan ji, give him a big round of applause.
Thank you. It's a real proud moment to be part of this grand celebration. And what I saw today is the best of India being represented here, the best of Indian American community is being represented here, and of course we as a consulate are part of it. We are displaying India's best power and cooperation. Let me thank for doing it year after year, into year. It's not a small, it's a real proud moment, and iconic personalities from India, from the Tripathi have joined us here today. So let me thank FIA, Dr. Gupta, and all others who are associated with. Thank you.
Please visit them at 460 Park Avenue, New York. State Bank of India, thank you so very much. gentlemen, FIA welcomes Member of Parliament from New Delhi, also an actor and a singer, a well-known personality, Manoj Tiwari ji, on India's 70th Independence Day. Manoj ji, आपका स्वागत है. Ladies and gentlemen, Manoj Tiwari. Manoj ji, thank you so very much for representing India.
And I have with me World Hindu Council of America के General Secretary, that is Amitabh ji. So Amitabh ji, नमस्कार, जय श्री राम.
जय श्री राम.
तो बताएं इस फ्लोट के बारे में, ये पहली बार हो रहा है यहाँ पे कि?
हाँ, तो it's a 500-year wait. After that you have a temple. So we are showing what the temple looks like. It's the wait of over almost 1 billion Hindus for 500-year, 22 generation. We are celebrating the return of Sri Ram, and we're showing his home. That's what he looks like. Because all the bhaktas who could not go to Ayodhya can see what it looks like. We're bringing Ayodhya to America.
What are your expectations आज के इस इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंस डे से?
लास्ट 42 ईयर से FIA इस परेड को मना रही है, लेकिन आज का जो स्पेशल है, अमेरिका के इस धरती पे मेडिसन स्क्वायर गार्डन के इस हर्ट पे पहली बार हो रहा है, जो कि 500 साल के बाद भारतवासियों को 150 करोड़ हिंदुओं को राम मंदिर, जिसको किसी आतिताई ने, यवनों ने लूट के रख लिया था, वो भारत के सरकार ने, भारत के संविधान ने, भारत के सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने उनको हैंडओवर किया है. आज उसके स्वागत के लिए आज मैनहाटन का ये हृदय, विशाल हृदय, जो कि भारत, ये दुनिया की सबसे ओल्डेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी है, अब भारत सबसे बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी है, तो उन्होंने आज अपने गले लगाए हैं. और हम लोग का ये जो सिंबल है, प्रोटोटाइप भारत से जो स्पेशल आया है, आज ये वॉक का सबसे बड़ा अट्रैक्शन होगा. इसके लिए लाखों लोग, 5 लाख से ज़्यादा लोग, मोर देन 500,000 पीपल आर ऑन द स्ट्रीट. और आज ITV गोल्ड की टीम इसको कवर कर रही है, हम उनको भी धन्यवाद करेंगे. ये बड़ा भव्य आयोजन है. इसमें कुछ थोड़े हर्डल्स आए थे, लेकिन हम लोग हर्डल्स की चिंता नहीं करते. हम सब प्रभु राम की सेना है, भक्त हैं, और पूरा विश्व हमारा परिवार है. पूरे विश्व को हम अपना समझते हैं. वसुधैव कुटुंबकम के साथ, जो कि प्रभु राम हमारे हिंदू के ही नहीं, पूरे विश्व के हैं. वो शांति के, समृद्धि के और हेल्थ के प्रतीक हैं. उनकी कृपा से ये ब्रह्मांड की रचना चलती है. तो हम प्रभु से यही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि सब लौटें अध्यात्म की ओर, शांति की ओर, समृद्धि की ओर, और इस क्षण का स्वागत करें अपने दिलों से. धन्यवाद. प्रमोद भगत, प्रेसिडेंट, वर्ल्ड पीस एंड हेल्थ फाउंडेशन.
As you can see that we have lots of people here, lots of stuff going on, and everybody is just getting ready for the parade. And I have here with me one of the cutest girl in a wonderful outfit. So first of all, I want to know your name and what are you going to be doing here?
My name is Maisha Mishra and I'm going to be doing Odissi.
Okay, so what made you decide that, hey, you want to participate in the parade and you want to do your Odissi dance?
It's one of my hobbies, so I feel really happy by doing it.
Tell us, what makes you you are bringing your daughter here for the dance. So what made you think and what are you expecting from the parade?
Yes, hi, this is Monali Mishra. We are from India. She is representing the state called Odisha, and the classical dance of Odisha is Odissi there. And the main thing that are internationally famous, Lord Jagannath, he used to come in chariot. So she is having from the 4 years old, she is doing this classical dance. And in New York, it is like India is a democratic country, like America. It is incredible. It is everywhere. It is different, but the person are same. So it is incredible Odisha and incredible India, just like incredible America.
Wonderful, and Jai Hind to you.
Jai Hind, Jai Jagannath.
Thank you. As you see right here, we have this, Dole Tasha group, and we can see, Dole keys everywhere here. And I think they have come, they're not from New Jersey or New York area, but they have come from somewhere else. And I see their leader here. Can I have your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is Pranav Aundkar.
Okay, where are you from?
We are from Detroit, Michigan.
Detroit.
Yeah, so we came here from all the way from Detroit. We are a team of almost 50 people. We are a Shiledar Dol Tasha Patak of Maharashtra Mandal in Detroit. It's a Maharashtra Mandal and it's operated by the Maharashtra Mandal, the Dol Tasha Patak. We try to come here every day to participate in the parade and show off our traditional art from Maharashtra, that is the Tasha and the Dol. And it's, if you see all around, we have kids from all the way from like 3 years old to like 60 years old. So there is no age restrictions. We are all inclusive Dol Tasha Patak. And we are the third largest Dol Tasha Patak in USA.
So Pranav, tell me what inspired all of you, especially, kids starting from maybe 3 or 4 year olds, so all the way to, I'm sure, till 40, 50 year olds are here. What inspired you guys to come here?
So it's all about our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. You can see him here. He's all our inspiration. That's why we call ourselves Shiledar. So what a Shiledar is, basically a person who rides or who leads the horse clan for Shivaji Maharaj. The person was called Shiledar and we are his horse clan. We take his legacy forward and we try to spread his glory all over the world as much as we can through our instruments and through our performances all over the United States.
Well, we have with us Purni, who is Mrs. Bharat, New Jersey. Hi, Purni.
Hi, hello.
So tell us, Purni, first of all, congratulations for being Mrs. Bharat, New Jersey. Tell us a little bit about your journey and what inspired you to come here.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Vanakkam, namaste. Thank you so much for having me in this. I feel so privileged to be here. To be Mrs. Bharat, I actually wanted to prove something after I get married. I just don't want to sit in the home and I don't want to feed the kids, serve my husband. Apart from that, I have my own life and I have to excel in my life, and that's what inspired me to be here.
So any message for especially the females out there, who come from India and then they are here, what message would you want to give them on this Independence Day?
Independence is not only freedom for others, it is freedom for each and every individual. They have every person has each talent which they have to bring out, even if it is after marriage or before marriage, it doesn't matter. It is just the marital status which is going to change. Your talent is not going to get down because since you got married. So think out of the box. Women are born to be succeeded. The only one thing is that you have to come out of the shell and you have to have the courage and the confidence to pursue what you interest for and in what you have the interest.
मेरा नाम वल्लभ भाई राठौड़ है. मैं 84 से FIA की कमेटी में हूँ और हर बरस आ रहा हूँ और एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी परेड निकलती है और बहुत सब आदमी रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं उसको और बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है.
And yes, so we can see, lot of people here, lot of excitement, lot of vibrancy, I would say, here. And we have Mr. Srujal Parekh ji here and Alok Kumar here. And first of all, tell me, sir, what is different today? You have been doing it every year, bigger and better. What's different today?
Today, the theme we have Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So we always have inclusivity, but we want to show the world what India is all about. We have from all over the world participating in the India Day Parade, and we are very excited to have amazing parade today. And the weather is cooperating, and the NYPD is here with the bigger number, and looking forward for the great parade.
Well, I have here Parekh Worldwide Media, founder of Parekh Worldwide Media, that is Dr. Parekh, and this is Mrs. Parekh. And we also have here the
Deepak Patel, Board of Trustee, past president.
Thank you so much, guys. First of all, I want to ask Dr. Parekh. So, Dr. Parekh, I know India is in your heart, and you have been coming to these kind of parades for now so many years. So, tell us, what are you expecting like this year, something different to see?
Well, I think this year's parade will be much more bigger and better than last year. Obviously, every year it gets bigger and better. And this year, the most unique thing is we have a Ram Temple float, which we're going to lead the parade. And we are really proud of that, that Ram Mandir has happened after 500 years. and we all are Sanatani people are really happy about it. And parade will be a great parade, showcase of the India culture, heritage, and people.
We've been associated with over 25 plus years, and this is the uniqueness about this parade is, as Dr. Parikh said, that is the Ram Temple. And besides that, we have different floats, which is the Christian floats. We have 6 floats. We have Sanatani floats. We have Ram Temple floats. We have covered all the Indian fabric, which is the slogan of this year is Vasundhaiva Kutumbhava. So in a sense, we are one family, one world. So that's what we are going to do it. And luckily God has blessed. The weather has turned out to be the best. And now the crowd is already more than double than at this time last year. So we wish the good luck to the parade and the people who are watching that. Thank you.
Any messages you want to give out to the Indian diaspora over here?
Well, then just enjoy the parade and celebrate the Independence Day.
Thank you.
I would like to say Happy Independence Day, and it's going to be a great parade and very excited about it.
Well, you can see just an army of these guys right here. So I just want to know from you, especially how do you feel at this, grand magnitude parade?
Right, we are so proud and happy to be here. We are from a south part of India, which is called Kerala. All these are Malayali officers. So we have an organization called AMLU, American Malayali Law Enforcement United. Over 160 members all around America. So we are proud to be here and happy to celebrate with you all.
So what are you expecting out of this parade?
And reach out to the communities, letting them know that we have over 160 Malayali officers in NYPD all around the America. So if they need any kind of help, anything, we are here to help, and we are here.
So, since we are celebrating the Independence Day of India, and this is going to be the 78th Independence Day of India, and see, the flag is saying so too. It's just, hoisting. So tell me one thing, what does independence mean to you?
I mean, having the freedom to celebrate, that doesn't matter wherever you are. We are here, but we're still celebrating that freedom. So, and the freedom means you can, and having a luxury to help others and living a life that you want, achieve the dreams that you want, American dreams. Coming from India and celebrating here. So that's independence.
Okay, what I want all of you to do is just say, all of us together, go Jai Hind!
Hi everyone, happy Independence Day. The President of Indian Officer Society, we represent law enforcement officers in the United States and New York, particularly NYPD. It's a great day today. We had a great turnout so far. It's only going to get better. We've been doing this parade for at least last 14 years that I've been, on this job, and it gets better and better every year. And I encourage everyone to come out, support India. It's a big deal. Support guys that are trying to get on the job with law enforcement. Doesn't matter what agency, because sometimes all you need is a little push. And if we have representation in these departments, that's how we're going to stand out. That's how we're going to be able to help the community and for us to move further up.
My name is Richa. I'm from Patna.
So tell me, is this your first time you're coming here?
No, I'm coming past 5 years here, and it was so grateful to be here. It's means you can see it's it's our a home. It's every state you can see the project means in the Gujarat, Bihar, Punjab, and all is wonderful. I love that. I don't miss my home here.
Absolutely. So you have been coming here, you said, for 5 years almost. So tell me, this year, are you looking for anything different?
Means it's more people, I guess, and it's more crowd, and it's so wonderful. Always be here. It's great pleasure to be here. It's wonderful.
Hello, good morning. Thank you, Dr. Sudhir Bhai. Thank you for bringing India Day Parade to the Manhattan. I know you have been serving India all your life for last 50 years. Happy India Independence Day. Today is our 78th India's Independence Day. We came to America 40 years back, but we did leave India, but India lived in our heart. And I love India as well as America. God bless you. God bless all America too. And God bless ITV.
Happy Independence Day in New York City on a wonderful day. That is 18th of August. It rained this morning. Gods have been very, very kind and pleased. So congratulations to all Indians on the Independence Day.
Well, I see here the Queen herself who, makes and who brings all these queens to India Day Parade. Welcome.
Thank you so much. It's always fun and honor to be here on your platform. Thank you so much, and I'm very proud to be here to celebrate 70th Independence Day of India with my pageant queens. They are in USA but representing Bharat. You can see all my gorgeous queens from left to right.
Absolutely. So let me start from. Is that the Queen too? So yes. So let's talk about the Independence Day. How do you feel coming to this?
Oh, the greatest day in the world. It's a friendship between two big countries, US and India, the biggest country and the oldest democracy. What I'm saying, the message is Hollywood to Bollywood. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead with your name and what kind of message would you want to give?
I'm Dr. Raju Singla from Boston. Came to attend this great event. I think the best thing is the positive vibes and all the people coming together to celebrate our Independence Day along with Americans. I think that's the biggest message. Stay together, be happy, be safe.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am very excited to be here. I'm Shraddha. I'm the winner of Miss Bharat New York 2024 and happy Republic Day.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Divya Srivastava, Mrs. Bharat New Jersey 2024, and I'm so excited to be here. I'm proud to be here on the 78th Independence Day of India, and it's a beautiful moment for us. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Okay, one thing you want to say about her, what will that be?
She is a superwoman, I would say, giving thanks to all the women, so many of us. I would say she's a superwoman.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Patel and I'm Mrs. Universe New York and I'm very happy to be here. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
So is this the first time you are coming to this parade or you have been coming here?
So this is first time being on a float on the parade, but I lived in New York my whole life, so I've been into parades, but as a viewer, not as a guest. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Paramita Ghosh, Mrs. South Asia Universe 2024. And I'm going for Mrs. Universe this year in South Korea, October. Thank you so much, ITV Gold, for interviewing. I'm having an amazing time in New York, celebrating 70th Independence Day. What it can be, look at it, wow, with the beautiful queens and the king around us. Thank you so much.
I just want to ask you, since this is Independence Day, what does independence mean to you?
For me, it means independence for each and everyone, especially if you see now in days in India. Are the women safe? No. So we want independence in each and every form for each and every gender. We want equality. That's what independence means to me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Snehal. I'm your Miss Bharat New Jersey. I'm so beyond proud to be here and this is my first time at the parade. I can't explain how happy I am for Rashmi and this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Hello, hi, I'm Divya, Mrs. Universe New Jersey 2024. I'm so happy and glad to be part of this biggest parade, 42nd India Day Parade. Thanks to Rashmi ji and IPTV Gold for having us here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ishika Tulsi. I'm Miss New York, New Jersey 2024. I'm very honored to be here today and I wish you all a happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Well, we have here Mrs. International New York. I mean, you are as gorgeous, So tell us, how do you feel coming to this kind of a parade?
This is my first time, thanks to Rashmi, her team. I'm so proud and honored to be a part of this big celebration of Independence Indian Day for 78 years. It's
message you want to give out to the women out there?
Just live your life. Congratulations with the celebration. Enjoy every day. Be grateful. Life is beautiful. And thank you for having me on this special event.
Thank you. Thank you. I am Manisha, Mrs. New Jersey. I am so thankful for this opportunity to this land of freedom where I can celebrate my home country. Thank you, America. I love India. I love America. शांति के बारे में कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे इस इंडिपेंडेंस?
ओम विश्वानि देव सवितर दुरितानि पराशुभ यद भद्रम तन्न आशुभ। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
एक फोटो